Good students, today I am going to teach you about use of Pythagoras theorem and trigonometrical ratios in trigonometry to solve problems. In this case, we give you some examples or questions on the basis of this base. Here, question 1 S or give example 1. Example 1. If if 15 cot A is equal to 8, if 15 cot A is equal to 8, then find the values of sin A, sec A and cosec A. Cosec A. Here for solution, this case solution here 15 cot A is equal to 8 given, and you can write its cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Okay students? Here cot A is equal to 8 by 15. We solve it by Pythagoras theorem. Here A, let A, B, C is the name of the vertices. Here A is equal to cos theta. Here take angle A. Then this is the base and this is the altitude or perpendicular line from this angle. If you take C, then AB is the perpendicular line. Okay students? But here we take angle A, then cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Here cot A, ratio of cot A is equal to AB base by perpendicular. Ratio of cot A is equal to 8 by 15 base by perpendicular. It is the inverse of tan A. So 8 by 15 here base 8 and base by perpendicular line 15. Then find the value of AC. We will find the value of AC by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse AC square is equal to AB square base AB square plus altitude or perpendicular line BC square. We can write. Okay student, here AC square equal to AB 80 square plus here 15 square. Here AC square is equal to 8 square 64, we get 64, and 15 into 15 square 225. Add both AC square add 5 4 9 and 6 to 8 and here 289. AC is equal to 289. We get here AC is equal to 289. Then you get 17 into 17 is a prime number. Then 17 into 17, then we get pair 1 in 17. AC is equal to 17. Here 17 into 17, 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7 4, 111 and 1 7 ja and here. AC is equal to 17. Therefore, AC is equal to 17. Here we find the value of AC is equal to 17 by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, student. Without determining the value of AC, we cannot find the value of sec A, cosec A, and sin A. Therefore, it is must to determine the value of AC. We determine the value of AC by Pythagoras theorem. We get here the value of AC is 17, then 3 sides are clear. Then we can easily determine the value of given ratio as here sin A is equal to perpendicular line by 17 because A is the line, A is the angle. 15 by 17 and sin A and sec A. Sec A is equal to sec A hypotenuse by base 17 by 8. Okay, student, and here you can write cosec A. Cosec A is equal to 17 by hypotenuse by perpendicular line. Here 17 by 15. So, okay, student. So, these types of problems you can solve by this method. Okay, student. Next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student. Thank all of you.